Ruby.
And then you can put any stick in the ground.
What are you guys making?
A little trap board.
What are you hoping to trap?
A bunny.
Mongrels?
A bunny or the cat or the dog. Yeah, we can catch them. Oh, we can catch them from running away.
Oh, okay. So you're going to try to help the animals, huh? Not trap them.
Oh, that ain't gonna work. I could track what they probably will go boing. Yeah. I wish if they went in here, I'd have some. Ruby, track them down. Yeah.
Here comes Ruby. Roar! Watch me, I'm tearing down the fort.
Ruby.
You are such a loud dog.
And I guess this is done this again.
Is that as done as it's going to get?
We need to put one right here and right here. Okay. And then we need to put one right here, right here, right
He
here,
must be the
right here.
foreman.
Are you the foreman?
Yeah. I have no fish.
You telling people what to do?
Yeah. Only the little people.
Only the little people, though?
Right, what do you try to look for huge sticks? Not really. Yeah. And try to go put that one in. Okay. So I'll dig a little hole for it. You want this one to be over here? Yeah. You have a pointy in? Yeah. Okay. This might be a little hard for me. Let's go ahead and record the fire.
No, I'm watching you try to dig that into concrete.
Is it concrete?
Yes, it is.
That's the edge of the patio.
See, that's a patio.
There you go.
Be quiet.
Zoe! Zoe, get up here! What do you think you're doing
Where
back
are you?
there?
Who was it? And then get trapped. And when we catch something, oh, we should go look them back, right? We're going to check here every day we're here.
What are you going to do if you catch something?
We're gonna pick it up, pet it, and let it free.
Oh, are you? What if it's a skunk?
Yeah.
We'll just let it be.
Or a
You just let it be? You just let it spray so it stinks here all the time?
I'll just throw sticks at it
Throw sticks at it?
and let the road move so that it can get out.
Oh, I'm sure he won't spray you then.
Emmy! We're making a little trap. Are we done for today? No, we're not going to be done with the trap. John, we need leaves. We're going to make a little leaf pile.
Ruby! Get her, Zoe. Put her in her place.
Now on to the dog fights.
That thing's right trying to stop me.
Can't see anything. What do you have?
You have work to do, John.
Alright, we need
What kind of work?
some leaves. We need to get some leaves. John, come pick up some leaves and put it in my little sack.
Zoe.
Mind if we catch people?
What?
Mind if we catch people?
What are you going to do if you catch people?